Hello, I'm coming to you from a quiet one-way street from a house that's for sale. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. My name's Earl Musick. I'm with United Country Real Estate in Grangeville, Idaho. Come on in and let's take a look around. As you walk into the house, you'll find that you're here in the living room. It's a nice big room. I also want to show the bamboo hardwood flooring through the downstairs here. We have the pellet stove in the background, as you saw. This is the dining area. And then right here, I want to show you, this is one of 2 patios on the property. Nice concrete patio. You can go out there and enjoy the outdoors here at your new house. All right, now from the patio, let's come on in here and I can show you off the kitchen. This is a galley kitchen, but I want to show off the nice big hole right here looking into the family room, so it's not quite so claustrophobic. But look at the amount of counter space here in this kitchen. Really big kitchen, lots of cabinets. We also want to show off this oven and range, 5 burners on there, runs off of propane. Really is a nice system. And of course, you got the exhaust fan up there. There's also a dishwasher right here. We got a double door refrigerator that I want to show you and show you how much room is right here in this compartment. If you wanted to go with a much bigger refrigerator, you have the ability to do so. And we also have a small pantry right here at the end of the hallway. So that's the kitchen for you. Let's go ahead and, since we're here, go out onto the second patio. All right, here we are on the second patio. This is covered. We got the roof up here, and there's also some translucent paneling in the roofing up there, so you get that natural light through here. Also have this electric fan, which is really nice. And really, I want to take you and turn real quick and just show you the brick on the outside of the house here. I don't know, it just kind of gives it that really cool feeling of like maybe an old tavern or something that you would hang out in. But anyways, really nice spot, very comfortable. The seller even has put some sheeting up in the winter and can keep it very warm in here. And so you can enjoy this spot pretty much year round. Now we're going to take a little quick pan around the backyard here. Really is a nice yard, low maintenance. It's not a huge yard, but very nicely done. Lots of plants, places to put flowers. There's that storage building here in the backyard, and just a really nice, comfortable spot for you to enjoy your time outdoors here, and extremely quiet here. You are in a neighborhood, but it is very quiet here. I haven't heard a single dog bark or anything yet. So with that said, let's go inside and we're going to take a look at the bedrooms. All right, here we are in the master suite. Do want you to know this house does not have air conditioning, but our area doesn't have a lot of hot days normally, and so they do what a lot of people here in our area do, just have some fans in the windows blowing some nice fresh air, and it usually keeps the house pretty comfortable. But this is the master suite, nice big room. This is a king size bed, and there's plenty of room all the way around it for furniture. Now we're walking into the master closet, which is big enough. The seller said it's big enough to put another bed in there if you'd like, but that there's plenty of room in there for all your clothes, and even some more shelving, some more furniture inside of there. And then just outside of the master bedroom here, we have the bath. It does have dual vanities there, as you can see. It is a stand-up shower. There is no tub up here, but and then of course it also has the toilet. And then also I just want to show you this this nice little room here. I mean, it just has a couple windows in there, and you got a ton of natural light coming through here. Just really is a nice master suite. You're separated from the rest of the bedrooms and the rest of the house, so it gives you a lot of privacy. So now let's go downstairs and check out the other bedrooms. All right, we're back in the main part of the house here, and we're going to walk down the hallway and turn right into the bathroom downstairs. This is a full bath. You have a bath, shower, toilet, and of course a sink. Then we're going to walk down the hallway. We have some nice built-ins right here. So a little linen closet, anything you need there for some storage, which is something I love of older houses. They just don't do this kind of stuff anymore. But we're going to walk into the first of the bedrooms downstairs. This is the smaller of the two, but as you can see, still plenty of room. That's a queen size bed right there. Then right across the hall, we have a slightly bigger room right here. They're using it as their office, but does give you a little bit more room here. Let you know a little bit more information. One is there is an oversized one-car garage on this property. We didn't walk through it because the sellers are getting ready to move. It's become the staging area for all of their boxes and everything, so we hope you appreciate and understand why we're not showing that off at this time. But there is an additional workshop built on the back of that garage, and that's where the washer and dryer hookups are located. And so it's a great functional space. It's just really cluttered right now. Something else we want to let you know, if you're interested in this house and you have some questions about something I didn't cover, like the price, please look at the video description. That's where we put all of that information, and you can check that out along with a link to our website and a link to a 3D walkthrough tour of this house, so you can actually walk through it on your own pace. Lastly, we want to let you know that we're the only brokerage in this area that does videos like this for their listings. And so if you find this content valuable in your real estate search, please leave a like on this video. If you have time, leave me a comment. I'd also appreciate that. And make sure you're subscribed. And I know I told you I only had one other thing to talk about, but real quick, today we went to the funeral of Judy Long. If you're not from this area, Judy Long was a real estate agent here in Grangeville for over 30 years, and her presence in our industry is going to be greatly missed. She was a wonderful agent to work with, and if you ever had a chance for her to sell your house, or maybe she helped you buy your house, please leave a comment about Judy here on this video, and please keep her family in your prayers.